Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about our universe. In this lesson, we will learn about different objects found in universe, members of solar system. So, let's start. Children, the universe is bigger than anything we can ever imagine. The sun, the earth, millions of stars and much more are contained in the universe. In this lesson, we will learn about the sun, stars, galaxy, constellations, solar system, planets, moon as a natural satellite, artificial satellite, meteors and meteoroids, comets, etc. So children, let's start. Have you ever seen the stars at night? They are of different sizes, but they all look very small because they are very far away from us. As a result, only a tiny bit of their light reaches us. The stars shine all the time in the sky. During the day, the light from the sun is so bright that we are unable to see the light of other stars in the sky. Do you know that the sun is a star? Yes, children, the sun is a star. Sun gives us bright light and heat. The sun. You see the sun every day. It is about 1300,000 times bigger than the earth. Yet, it looks just like a ball in sky because it is very far away from us. The sun is a huge ball of hot gases. These gases burn all the time and gives heat and light. Our earth receives heat and light from the sun, which makes all form of life, human, plants and animals possible on the earth. Galaxy. A large group of stars is known as a galaxy. There are many galaxies in universe. A galaxy also contains gases and dust. The sun, which gives us light and heat, is located in a galaxy called the Milky Way. Constellation. A group of stars that form a pattern in the sky known as a constellation. The Orion and the Uranus Major, known as the Great Bear, are two of many constellations in the Milky Way galaxy. The solar system. Just like us, our sun has a family too. It is known as the solar system. 8 planets are most important member of solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The moons or satellites are other member of sun's family. Planets. Planets are celestial bodies that revolve around the sun. They are nearly round in shape. As they revolve around the sun, planets follow a specific path known as an orbit. Planets have no light of their own and they receive it from the sun. Mercury is the smallest planet and Jupiter is the largest planet. Moon. Natural satellite of a planet. A natural satellite, also called moon, is a celestial body that revolves around the planet. The earth has one celestial called the moon. Like planets, natural celestial also have light of their own. They reflect the light from the sun. It is interesting to note that the planet Jupiter has 50 confirmed moon. Artificial satellites. Artificial satellites are human-made object orbit that Earth and other planet in the solar system. The Sputnik 1 is the world's first artificial satellite. It was launched in 1957. There are different types of artificial satellite such as communication satellites, navigation satellites and weather satellites. Aryabhatta, Bhaskara 1 and 2, Rohini 1 and 2 are the main artificial satellites of India. Meteors and meteorites. Meteors are the small celestial objects that enter the Earth's atmosphere and get burned due to the heat produced by friction against air and flashes as a streak of light in the sky. These are also known as the shooting star. Sometimes meteors do not burn up completely. They land on the Earth's surface and create huge depression and are known as meteorites. Comets. A comet is a shiny heavenly object made up of clumps of ice. They have bright head and tail that always point away from the sun. The luminous tail is visible only when the comet's orbit passes close to the sun. Comets move around the sun in a regular orbit. The most famous comet of our universe is Halley's Comet. Appears after every 76 years. Last time it was seen in 1986 and next time it will be appear in 2062. So children, in this lesson we learn about sun, stars, galaxy, constellation, planets, moon, artificial satellites, meteors, meteorites, comets. So in next video we will learn about solar system and planets.